In the insurance world, the distinction between admitted and non-admitted insurance hinges on how the insurance is regulated and licensed in a particular state. This difference has significant implications for how policies are structured, priced, and the protections afforded to policyholders. So let's explain the difference between admitted and non-admitted insurance. An admitted insurer is an insurance company that has been licensed by the state's Department of Insurance, where it operates. This means that the insurer has met all the state's regulatory requirements, including financial solvency standards, and their policy forms and rates have been reviewed and approved by the state. A non-admitted insurer is also known as a surplus lines insurer or an excess and surplus lines carrier. A non-admitted insurer is an insurance company that is not licensed by the state's Department of Insurance where the policy is being sold. While they are not regulated by that state's specific DOI for rates and forms, they are still legitimate and regulated in their home state or country. Policies written by these carriers are referred to as non-admitted policies, or are part of the surplus lines market. Admitted insurers are state regulated, so the products are more standardized. Admitted insurers are covered by the state's insurance guarantee. So if they become insolvent and can't pay your claim, the state steps in and covers the policy. If you have an admitted policy, you can also appeal to the state's insurance department if you think your claim was mishandled. You don't get any of these protections in non-admitted policies. They aren't protected by the state's insurance guarantee fund. So why would anyone use a non-admitted insurer? Well, in short, you might not have any choice. There are situations where you might not be able to get an admitted policy at all. In those situations, you have to turn to the surplus lines market for insurance. Some of the reasons you might need non-admitted insurance includes your property is in zones that are high risk of hurricanes, wildfires, severe floods, or earthquakes. Your property has a history of claims. Your property is vacant or under renovation. Your property is extremely expensive. Your property is historic. Your property has unusual construction or unique architectural features, or the risk you're insuring against is hard to quantify. In short, you might need non-admitted insurance if your property doesn't have standard risk. If you've had a non-admitted insurance policy before, leave a comment and tell us about it. Others could benefit from your experience. The best way to make sure you are getting the coverage that you need is to talk with an independent insurance agent. They work for you, not the insurance company, so they are focused on meeting your needs. If you would like to find an independent insurance agent, visit us at the Yukon project. When you sign up, we will have an independent agent contact you. They can answer all of your questions that you have and give you a quote. They have relationships with over 200 insurance carriers, so they should be able to find you something that fits your needs perfectly. Best of all, there's no obligation to use them. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we appreciate it. Thanks for watching.